whisper your name. Silent stars start to twinkle. Heartbeats echo the same. Love spark makes me tingle. Dear, write me a song, soft and calm all night long. Feet can dance, hearts can sway, together till the break of day. Night wraps us in its arms, calm waves kiss the shore. In your love there's no harm, forever asking for more. Dear, write me a song, soft and calm all night long. Feet can dance, hearts can sway, together till the break of day. Night, you're near, all fears fade. Love remains, never to wane. In the silence, serenade our love unchained, uncontained. In your eyes, moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night. Love woven in our dreams, together it feels so right. Never to wane. In the silence, serenade our love unchained, uncontained. In your eyes, moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night. Love woven in our dreams, together it feels so right. Soft winds whisper your name. Silent stars start to twinkle. Heartbeats echo the same. Love spark makes me tingle. Dear, write me a song, soft and calm all night long. Feet can dance, hearts can sway, together till the break of day. Night wraps us in its arms, calm waves kiss the shore. In your love there's no harm, forever asking for more. Dear, write me a song, soft and calm all night long. Feet can dance, hearts can sway, together till the break of day. Night, you're near, all fears fade. Love remains, never to wane. In the silence, serenade our love unchained, uncontained. In your eyes, moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night. Love woven in our dreams, together it feels so right. Night, you're near, all fears fade. Love remains, never to wane. In the silence, serenade our love unchained, uncontained. In your eyes, moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night. Love woven in our dreams, together it feels so right. Touch in the night. Love woven in our dreams, together it feels so right. your eyes, moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night. Love woven in our dreams, together it feels so right.